Hi everyone, my name's Rachel Ryan and I'm a sophomore at Hempfield. And now that I found myself with all this free time, I find myself combining science experiments and crafts. So today I'm going to show you how to make invisible ink, and all you'll need is a lemon, some Q-tips, a knife to cut the lemon, and a little bowl, and some paper to write your message on. First, cut your lemon in half, like a hamburger. Have an adult help you with this part. Then, once you've cut your lemon, squeeze it into your small bowl. So I only used 1/2 of a whole lemon because you won't need a lot of ink. And that lemon juice is going to be your ink. So then you can take one of your Q-tips or cotton swabs, dip it into your lemon juice, and then you can create a secret message, which I'll show you how to reveal at the end. Before we reveal the message, we have to let the ink dry completely. Then you can use a stove to heat up the paper and reveal your message. Make sure you have an adult help you with this part. As you heat up your message, you'll start to see the magic happen. So there you have it, your finished product. You've combined both science and crafts.